Hi guys, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at the first problem. So some things that we want to go ahead and go over are our angle relationship notes. So remember that complementary are two angles that add up to 90. Adjacent are angles that are next to each other. Supplementary are two angles that add up to 180, and vertical are angles that are across from each other, right? So looking at number one, that perfect square means that it's going to be a 90-degree angle. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to equal it out to 90 degrees. The next thing that we're going to do is we want to create an equation using the values that are given to us, right? So I said you just kind of put it all together. 39, because that's the value of this angle first, plus x plus 6. So all I did was use this equation and plug it in over here, right? So then from here, you kind of want to go ahead and start solving for the value of x. That's what you're solving for the value of x. Looking at the next one, we have solving for x, right? So what you want to do is you want to remember that a straight line makes 180 degrees, right? So this would be your straight line right here, right? So using that information, we know that this angle is 168.3. So we want to make sure that we equal it out to 180. So we use this information to create an equation. X plus 168.3 equals 180. And you're going to go ahead and work from there. So the next problem that we have, and that I'm going to go over, is number 4. Looking at this one, I feel like some of you guys are going to want to say that X is 130. But that is incorrect, okay? The way that you would solve this is you have to work step by step, right? So you know that this line right here is 180, but the issue is that you don't know what the value of this angle would be, right? So you want to go ahead and solve for this line over here first, right? So that would be, let's just put it y, right? Y plus 130 equals 180, right? So then from here, you work it and you're going to be able to solve from y. And then from there, you'd be able to put all of this 60 plus x plus whatever the value of y is going to give you would give me 180. Okay? So here again, you have a straight line. So you know that that line is going to give me 180. You want to put all of this into an equation, create it, and then you would be able to find your value of y.